In today's fast-paced world, ensuring the safety and security of your home is more critical than ever. With technological advancements, home security systems have evolved, becoming more sophisticated and user-friendly. Among the leading products in the market is this Blink Outdoor 4, 4th Gen, a wire-free smart security camera system that promises to deliver peace of mind. This comprehensive review will explore the features, performance, and benefits of the Blink Outdoor 4 and why it should be your top choice for home security. When you first unbox the Blink Outdoor 4, you're greeted with a sleek, modern design that immediately sets a high standard. The package includes 5 Outdoor 4 cameras, 1 Sync Module 2, 10 AA lithium metal batteries, 5 mounting kits, 1 USB cable, and 1 power adapter. The inclusion of all necessary components ensures that you can set up your system right out of the box without needing additional purchases. Key features. One of the standout features of the Blink Outdoor 4 is its wire-free design. This aspect eliminates the need for complicated wiring, making the installation process incredibly straightforward. The wire-free setup also means you can place the cameras anywhere around your home, giving you the flexibility to cover all critical areas. The Blink Outdoor 4 boasts a remarkable 2-year battery life using the included AA lithium batteries. This extended battery life ensures that you don't have to worry about frequently changing batteries, providing a hassle-free experience. For anyone looking for a long-term security solution, this feature is a significant advantage. Security cameras need to offer clear and detailed footage to be effective. The Blink Outdoor 4 delivers with its 1080p HD live view. This high-definition capability ensures that you can see everything in crisp detail, whether you're checking on a package delivery or monitoring for potential intruders. Additionally, the infrared night vision allows you to maintain security around the clock, providing clear images even in complete darkness. The Blink Outdoor 4 includes enhanced motion detection with dual-zone capabilities. This feature allows the camera to differentiate between different types of motion, reducing false alarms. The optional Blink subscription plan also offers person detection through embedded computer vision, CV, alerting you specifically when a person is detected. This precision in alerts enhances the overall effectiveness of your home security system. Two-way audio is another crucial feature, allowing you to communicate through the camera directly from your smartphone. Whether you're instructing a delivery person or scaring off a potential intruder, the ability to speak and listen through the camera adds an extra layer of security and convenience. For smart home enthusiasts, the Blink Outdoor 4 integrates seamlessly with Alexa. You can connect the cameras to an Alexa-enabled device to engage live view, arm and disarm your system, and more using voice commands. Setting up the Blink Outdoor 4 is a breeze, thanks to its wire-free design and included mounting kits. The process involves minimal steps, allowing even those with no technical expertise to get their system up and running quickly. The user-friendly Blink app guides you through the installation, ensuring a smooth setup experience. The Sync Module 2 included in the package ensures reliable connectivity between the cameras and your smartphone. This module plays a crucial role in maintaining a stable connection, allowing you to access live views and receive alerts without interruptions. The option to save clips locally with a USB drive, sold separately, adds another layer of reliability, ensuring that your footage is always accessible. The quality of the footage captured by the Blink Outdoor 4 is impressive. The 1080p HD resolution provides clear and detailed images, while the infrared night vision ensures visibility in low-light conditions. This high-quality footage is essential for identifying faces, license plates, and other critical details in case of an incident. The Blink Outdoor 4 offers flexible storage options to suit different needs. You can choose to store events in the cloud with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan, or opt for local storage with the Sync Module 2 and a USB drive. The subscription plan enhances the system's capabilities with person detection and extended cloud storage, providing a comprehensive security solution. Blink provides robust customer support and a reliable warranty, ensuring that any issues or concerns are promptly addressed. The company's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in its responsive support team and comprehensive resources available on their website. Conclusion: why the Blink Outdoor 4 is a smart investment. The Blink Outdoor 4 4th Gen is an outstanding wire-free smart security camera system that combines convenience, performance, and reliability. Its extensive features, including high-definition live view, enhanced motion detection, two-way audio, and impressive battery life, make it a top choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security. The easy installation process and user-friendly app ensure that you can start protecting your home in no time. The integration with Alexa and flexible storage options further enhance its appeal, providing a comprehensive and customizable security solution. If you're serious about securing your home, the Blink Outdoor 4 is a smart investment that offers peace of mind and unparalleled convenience. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your home security. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and purchase yours today. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.